Hello friends, today we'll discuss chapter 18 of IC 38. This chapter is about documentation in insurance policy. Here, the first and foremost document is proposal form. Proposal form is the basis of insurance contract in which all the material information is to be disclosed prior to the inception of the policy and at the end is to be signed by the proposer. Proposal form generally includes the name and address of the proposer, his profession, family history, details about previous policy, questionnaire regarding his health, some proposed, bank details, etc. In health policies, a prospectus is also provided to the insured, and he has to declare in the proposal that he has read and understood it. After getting the proposal form, insurance company scrutinizes the proposal. The process of scrutinizing the proposal and deciding about its acceptance is known as underwriting. Section 64(5)(b) of Insurance Act states that risk will not commence until premium is received in advance. Payment of premium can be made by cash, any recognized banking negotiable instrument, debit, credit cards, e-transfer or any other method approved by authority from time to time. After paying premium, policyholder gets premium receipt and policy document. Policy document is a formal document which provides an evidence of the contract of insurance. In certain terms and conditions of the policy need to be modified at the time of issuance, it is done by setting out the amendments or changes through a document called endorsement. In insurance policies, the document required to fulfill the guidelines of anti-money laundering and KYC is to be submitted by policyholder inevitably. In the interpretation of the words to be used in the policy document, the meaning for words is the meaning that even the ordinary man in the street would easily understand. Thank you. Take care.